Good evening, boils and ghouls. Tell me, Boo, you remember when every killer Halloween party had a super sweet, spooky soundtrack? Well, what am I slaying? Of corpse, you boo! Spooky sound effects albums used Boo Be Ghoul, and now they suck. Well, not anymore. Introducing Spooktacular sounds for a Halloween party. We've carefully created and curated the best handmade spooky sounds and collected them right here with your favorite classic spooky sounds like scary chains, creaky stairs, and of course, Spooky Lagoon. But don't worry, we've also got ghoul new spooky sounds like Scary Dummy Says Your Name.
Hello, Jamal.
Dead Keanu Reeves. Whoa. Prius won't start. And of course, Spider President. It's Boomorrow's spooky sounds for Halloween parties, Boudet. Back now, and you'll receive your copy of Spooktacular Sounds for a Halloween Party in early October. Hell before All Hallows. Grieve. Thanks for your support. Good die.